And welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to pay with Google Pay on Fortnite. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use Google Pay on Fortnite to make any purchase or to buy any V-Bucks, so unfortunately there's not direct ways how you can straight away pay with Google Pay. Instead, what you can do, you can buy a gift card or a V-Bucks card to use on Fortnite. You can just get that from any online marketplace. Using your Google Pay, your GPay, you can pay with GPay for that and then use that card and redeem it on Fortnite. So this is the option we have at this moment. So for example, on Amazon, you can search for Fortnite, and then once you search for Fortnite, and then you can just buy any of these Fortnite gift card or the V-Bucks card if you're going to buy V-Bucks. So get that and then buy that and then pay it with your Google Pay account. So just use that, hit on buy now, and then click on other UPI apps for the payment method. Enter your UPI ID of your GPay, which you can just get it from your GPay account once you log in. So enter that and then complete this transaction and buy the V-Bucks card. So once you have buy that, so you can simply now use this card on your Fortnite website and redeem it in order to buy any V-Bucks or any other stuff. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information was helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.